My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions and guidelines that will help you to remove the new adware, which is called IndexerClient. This particular adware is from the adload family. IndexerClient adware, once installed, starts displaying a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. IndexerClient adware may inject its malicious roots into Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari and other browsers, and especially Safari is being attacked by this adware. IndexerClient adware also may collect some browsing related data. It may actually spy on your browsing activities, collect your personal details, gather your other sensitive information and use that illegally without your permission. We recommend you to remove this adware as soon as possible. Furthermore, it is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases people download and install it unintentionally. So access your Finder, check your applications, find this program IndexerClient, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend that you additionally research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software and then run the application and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, of course. As you see, in my case, it's the premium mode. Click on Start Combo Scan button. So Combo Cleaner antivirus will begin researching and investigating your computer. Keep in mind that even the trial version of Combo Cleaner is provided with certain free features, for instance, disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus, by the way, is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. The website combocleaner.com will automatically identify your current operating system. Anyway, the scanning will take some time. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats which were found on the system. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to clean your Mac and to keep it always protected against any other possible malware attacks.